Okay, so the grounds go together. What you do is just
Put them at the bottom.
yeah, that's what I do. Get them out of the way. You take these and just twist them. I like that. And then you want to cut one off. Just one. And then the second hole right here is a stripper. It strips the wire. So you want to grab it on the second hole about right there. And do all of these like that. Okay, now you have to bend these. So see that hole? Put it in there right on the edge of it, like there.
Okay.
And then you bend it like that.
You do all of them that way?
Yeah. Yeah, one of those. You know the YouTube
Is the ground?
Yeah, so you just hook it on like that.
For the ground wire?
Yeah. So your neutrals, your whites, they always go on the ground side, which is a silver screw. So these are silver and these are gold. The golds are for the hot.
Okay.
So just hook it in there. And just turn it over like that. Do this side. Tuck it back in there. Usually you're supposed to have a wire nut for these grounds, but ears up against it.
I wired my first plug